Hi everybody, welcome to E-Prime for this evening. I am Daedran. 5 days, 7 major events, thousands of guests. Mocha Fest turned up the heat in Negril for its 10th anniversary, putting out all the stops for a celebration that's still making waves. But this year's milestone didn't just bring the party vibes, it reignited some major conversations about the role of entertainment in Western Jamaica and what the future could look like. Superstars Trey Songz, Rick Ross and Dex Daps brought massive energy and massive crowds. Their performances were a hit, but logistics was a miss, sparking discussions about infrastructure and planning.
What happens when there's a big show in Negril? You find the deadlock of the traffic and it impedes everybody going back and forth to work, and it's hours and hours, and even with the best efforts of the police, you find that you still have it.
However, the traffic was no deterrent for die-hard fans, many of whom traveled far and wide to witness the festival's top acts.
Mocha Fest was late. It was not my first time here. I love Jamaica.
One attendee, now a 3-time Mocha Fest patron, told E-Prime Trey Songz and Rick Ross were standout moments. Sentiments echoed throughout the crowd. He's also throwing his support behind calls for an official entertainment zone in Negril.
Minister of Tourism should make people aware of Negril more than just Lucy and other way like Montego Bay. This is a really good party spot for tourists to come in and enjoy themselves.
It's a sentiment shared by local vendors too. One vendor who's worked near the event for 7 years said this year's sales were slower, but he believes a permanent entertainment district could be a game changer.
Everyone can come out and participate in some way, whether you do transportation or you do vending or some other source.
Speaking with E-Prime, president of the Negril Entertainment Association, Ryan Morrison, says the government needs to invest more in the entertainment industry in Negril. He says the lack of interest is stifling the entertainment industry in the West.
To get the full value of entertainment, first you have to have the infrastructure. Right now, Negril can't hold an event over 6,000. It is time for the government to take it serious, especially on Negril, because we do not have anywhere to do large concerts, and it's restricting us to grow.
He added that event promoters are under pressure with limited support and few options.
How can you pay $2 million or $5 million for an artist with a venue can only have thousands? And how do you sell that ticket?
Morrison also revealed that 2 years ago, the Negril Entertainment Association met with government representatives to identify potential sites for a dedicated zone, but concerns from NEPA around environmental impact paused the project.
We just built Princess with a whole lot of environmental concern, and that was done. So if entertainment becomes something significant and paramount, the government did put it as priority.
Now with plans for a similar zone already moving ahead in Kingston, Morrison says Negril feels left out.
In 2012, we were the first person to actually send the entertainment zone, and they can go and check it out. The PSCB project, which was sponsored by EU and managed by Jampro, check it. We were the first person in Jamaica sent to the government but an entertainment zone, and we're the last person being considered.
Still, Mocha Fest gets high marks for its ticketing structure, with prices ranging from $50 to $100, drawing big name talent and thousands of fans. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.